Today I'm replacing the logic board on a Chamberlain garage door opener. This goes by multiple brand names. Actually, this one is a Raynor, but it's also a Sears brand, Chamberlain, I think LiftMaster, several. Anyway, the model number or part number is listed right here. We're going to be removing this whole back panel, and before doing so, you make sure you disconnected it from the power and you remove the light bulb from the front socket. The first thing I'll be doing, after the first two steps obviously, of unplugging and removing the bulb, is I'm going to label these wires before disconnecting them, and then I will pop those out, and that way there will not be any confusion as I put them back in. As you see, I've labeled each set of wires. There's only one wire going in the first slot, one in the second, and then the third and fourth slot, they are double wired because one is going to the switch and they're also going over to the safety sensors. So what I'm going to be doing now is just reaching in and pushing down each one of these to pull the wires out. The next step, I did remove the 3 screws. You have 2 on the top and you have 1 in the bottom. I'll now pull off the back panel, which contains the logic board on the other side. At this point, you need to disconnect the harness, and as you see, there's not a whole lot of playroom, but you do have to get in there and disconnect the 2. After disconnecting the cabling, this is going to give you the opportunity to remove the back panel and the light shield. Lay it on a flat surface so you can work on the logic board. So at this point, move over, take your new logic board out of the packaging, and remove the old logic board from the back panel and replace it with the new one, making sure that you slightly tighten every screw. So at this point, you're ready to put everything back together in reverse order. Just be very careful when you're reattaching the harness bracket and getting them secure before remounting the back panel. After everything is assembled, plug it back in, put your wires in as you labeled them before, and test the opening and closing of your door. You may have to do a little tweaking with the lift, but otherwise you should be good to go. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want future notifications. Thanks for watching.